Oceanics like the Mad Lab rapper. Forever let my mind stay, cause these rhymes are spectacular. To open your mind for it, and see you spread triangular. Images of a trade, dance like raindrops on your window. To all criticism I'm open, like your bimbo. Punchlines with the kick, I'll talk a bloody things karate. Name the black before then, I'll kick his ass. If you ask me, rappers say they're onto me, man. Don't be surprised you couldn't catch my style. Let alone a fucking cold, bro, slick to your lip. Address me when it's formal, but the slick's a freak of nature and consider myself normal. Also known as the monkey, and slick the unique, the sweet meat, see infrared, cause I leave girls on heat.
He was a bad freak.
I hear whispers in the wind, someone's backstabbing. Slick, don't act like no rapper, he's out nightclubbing. Man, he's an answer, what hip-hop is in, it's just prophetic. Check your brain's dead, your mind's numb, and stop the anesthetic. Man, I can't front, one pretender from the streets, I got work to do, and many girls to eat, sorry, I mean me. I done my time, on the streets you grey and mature. Your music grows with you if you want to keep it pure. Check the art I developed, for that I get my credit. Always took my rhymes to new faces, and never regret it. For example, half of Oxford Streets had a sample. Peace to all the people, because they didn't have to listen. People gave respect when it was due, and that was awesome. Or they probably thought me cute when I was talking. Man, I'm just a freak, and people, this is what I'm saying. I'll make ya freak out like you was masturbating. So rappers, if your rhymes hand, take them where you go. Incidentally, it's a fantastic way to pick up hoes. There you have it, that's Slick's lesson on progression. The funky soup breakdown beat is now in session. Now you know I got wisdom, nothing less than Bob Wiseman. My mind stays protected, like ladies Annie Hyman. Respect my father, if I'm half him, I'll be a fireman. Now here's the fact, I'll leave the mic smoking like a fireman. But when I'm not working, I tend to lose weight pretty fast. Metabolism quick, the toilet seats printed on my ass. To all I say, there's elements of fascination. Slick gets so busy, even does work on his vacation. Know my culture Asiatic, cause I'm from Asia, Habib Mata Athletic. Lebanon, never forsake Janine. Not from the woo, still unknown to bring the ruckus. One of the smartest artists, that makes me one of the hardest. Think Johnny Walker, black, Douglas sword dimples. You see me cause I stand out like erect nipples. Put curls in my hair, that only take me 10 minutes. News mimic, say I'm using curlers. Have you finished, fool? I use my fingers and I like to wear jag. But now I'm less material, and sometimes ignore the tag. Raps the diss, I give them dead ends like they drove in cul-de-sacs. The host